Alright, so we're back. We're doing our unboxing as I promised. Iron Rock Off-Road, thank you guys. You guys do awesome work. Let's go ahead and pop her open. Let's see everything that's inside. Give you a little sneak peek. Is that even separate? Oh, staples. That wasn't easy. Wow. Everything's wrapped up real nice inside there. Please inspect all box contents before beginning installation. AKA, don't screw yourself over, folks. And since everything's just wrapped up like this, we're gonna open it up and get it all set up for you. That way, not wasting your time. Alright, we got everything unboxed, opened, unpackaged. The only thing I will say is that yes, there is a little bit of surface rust on spots where they didn't apply maybe the anti-rust lubricant. Other than that though, everything's very stout, very thick, ready to go. Looks like it should sit right on the 8.8. This is the coil spring perch. Heck yeah, she sits right on there, so no modifying on my end this time. The Ranger, I had to do everything my own. I had to make my own leaf spring perches and shock mounts. Other than that, it was pretty easy. But this, I'm just gonna have to, we'll read the instructions, we'll see what's actually going on here, because it actually looks like they've got plenty of instructions on what we're gonna need to do, because there's a ton of bracketry that I have not been involved with yet. Like I said, my last one was a leaf spring. This is all coil spring and control arms. So we've got our control arm mounts and such like that here. Looks like, I'm not even too sure what this is going to be. So like I said, that's why we've got instructions. And it's actually got all hardware included. So apparently whatever we're supposed to need is in here. Well, we're going to find out about that. So we'll see what's actually happening. But here's the kit. Here's what you're getting for about 300 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description where you can find this. This is an excellent kit. Comes with everything that you're gonna need to put this 8.8 in, as I've said multiple times. So, time to get our welder fired up. Bottles turned on, everything pulled on out. Alright guys, so unfortunately we missed one thing from Iron Rock. They forgot to send us the last the upper control arm mount for the passenger side. So I'm going to send them an email. Sorry, I've got you up on the phone holder here on my car, the Ranger. I'm going to send them an email to let them know that they jipped me apart, and hopefully I'll get the next one sent out ASAP. But other than that, we'll get everything else mounted up, ready to go. That way we'll get ready for the last mount, but everything else, we'll take care of everything else right now in our little time waiting for those parts. So there's an update. Other than that, the brackets are great, everything's amazing, the instructions are great, I'm happy. Yeah, so thanks for sticking around for the unboxing, and let's see how tomorrow goes.